Changed your Jeep Cherokee key fob battery, and now it's not working? The most common cause is a dead key fob battery, which interrupts the signal to your car. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery in your key fob. Then, sit inside your Cherokee with all doors closed. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and then back to off 10 times rapidly within 10 seconds. For some models, 28 and plus, try pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds instead. Finally, press any button on the fob to test. The lights should flash or the horn should chirp. If it doesn't work the first time, repeat the process, make sure to keep the doors closed, and try the other method. If the resync process fails, double-check that the battery is correctly installed with the right polarity. Environmental factors like metal objects or cold weather below 0 degrees Celsius can sometimes interfere with the signal, so try moving to an open area. Also, be sure to close your car doors before attempting the resync process. Some newer Cherokee models with Uconnect may offer over-the-air resyncs through the Jeep app, so check your vehicle's settings if available. If you continue to have issues, your fob's internal chip may be damaged, requiring professional replacement, or you may have to take to a Jeep dealership. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary slightly. Note if you have a newer Jeep, models after 2023 no longer are Jeep Cherokees, but are Jeep Grand Cherokees, which have similar key fob tech.